In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers into Squarespace campaigns. We'll walk through the full import process from inside your Squarespace dashboard so you can bring an existing subscriber list into your email campaigns quickly and correctly. As you follow along, make sure your CSV file is already prepared, since that's the file format Squarespace will ask for during the upload. To begin, go to the marketing area in Squarespace and click on Campaigns. This opens the email campaign section where you can manage subscribers, mailing lists, and future email sends. If you're importing contacts for the first time, this is where the setup starts. Once you're on the campaigns page, click on Import Subscribers. This tells Squarespace that you want to add contacts from an external source rather than collecting them through a form on your website. Next, choose Upload a List. This option is used when you already have subscriber data saved on your computer and want to bring it into Squarespace manually. It's a straightforward way to move over contacts from another platform or from a spreadsheet you've maintained yourself. After that, click Next to continue. This takes you to the upload stage, where Squarespace will ask for your file. Now click Add a CSV file. Locate the correct CSV file on your computer and upload it. A quick tip here. Before uploading, it's always helpful to confirm that your file contains clean, organized subscriber data, especially email addresses, so the import goes more smoothly. Once the file is added, select Add to a mailing list. This is important because it determines where your imported subscribers will be grouped inside Squarespace. Keeping subscribers in the right mailing list makes it much easier to target the right audience when you send future campaigns. From there, click on These subscribers accept marketing. This confirms that the contacts you're importing have given permission to receive marketing emails. Be sure this is accurate because maintaining consent is an important part of email marketing compliance and good subscriber management. After confirming that, click Next again. This moves you to the final review stage before the import is processed. Finally, click Import. Squarespace will begin importing your subscribers into the selected mailing list. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. Once it's complete, your contacts will be available in campaigns and ready to use for future email sends. And that's how to import subscribers into Squarespace campaigns. If you're moving contacts from another system, taking a minute to verify your CSV and mailing list selection can save you time later and help keep your email marketing organized.